Are you ready to take a glimpse into the future? Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and technology to explore the top 10 futuristic inventions that are about to change the world. From sneakers to bikes, these game-changing inventions are poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the cutting-edge inventions that will shape our future. So, let's get started. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Number 1. The Cryptide Sneaker. The Cryptide sneaker is a futuristic shoe that has taken the fashion industry by storm. This innovative sneaker is not only stylish but also eco-friendly. It is made from sustainable materials such as recycled plastic and has a unique design inspired by aquatic life. The sneaker's distinctive feature is its signature wave-like sole, which provides superior grip and stability on any terrain. The sole is also made from recycled materials, making it environmentally friendly. In addition to its eco-friendly design, the Cryptide sneaker is also incredibly comfortable to wear. It has a lightweight and breathable upper, and its cushioned insole provides support and comfort throughout the day. Overall, the Cryptide sneaker is a must-have for anyone who values style, comfort, and sustainability. It is a perfect choice for those who want to make a statement with their footwear, while also doing their part for the environment. Number 2. Kingit. Kingit is a compact and lightweight life-saving device that has revolutionized water safety. This innovative device is designed to provide an extra level of safety for swimmers, surfers, and water enthusiasts of all levels. It is worn on the wrist and can be activated in seconds in case of an emergency. The Kingit uses a replaceable CO2 cartridge to inflate a bright yellow buoy that can support up to 275 pounds of weight. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry with you wherever you go, whether it's to the beach, pool, or on a boating trip. Overall, the Kingit is a must-have for anyone who loves the water and wants to stay safe while enjoying their favorite activities. Its innovative design and ease of use make it an essential tool for water safety. Number 3. Attune Model I. The Attune Model I is a cutting-edge robotic exoskeleton designed to assist workers in physically demanding industries. This innovative device is designed to reduce physical strain and fatigue, enabling workers to perform tasks with greater efficiency and safety. The exoskeleton provides support for the wearer's back, shoulders, and arms, reducing the risk of injury and strain. It is lightweight and comfortable to wear, allowing for extended use without discomfort. One of the key benefits of the Attune Model I is its adaptability. It can be customized to fit individual users, making it a versatile and practical solution for a range of industries. Overall, the Attune Model I is a game-changing device that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. Its innovative design and ergonomic features make it an essential tool for any industry that demands physical labor. Number 4. 360 Fly. The 360 Fly is a groundbreaking camera that allows users to capture immersive 360-degree videos and photos. This innovative device has revolutionized the way we capture and share our experiences, providing a new level of interactivity and immersion for viewers. The 360 Fly is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. It also features a rugged and durable design, allowing it to withstand extreme conditions and environments. The camera captures stunning 360-degree footage in high definition, providing a level of detail and clarity that is unmatched by traditional cameras. It is also equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to easily share their videos and photos on social media platforms and other devices. Overall, the 360 Fly is an essential tool for anyone who wants to capture and share their experiences in a more immersive and interactive way. Number 5. QBO Laser Engraver. The QBO Laser Engraver is an innovative device that allows users to easily engrave and personalize a variety of materials, including wood, leather, and paper. This compact and portable engraver is designed to be user-friendly, making it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. The QBO Laser Engraver uses advanced laser technology to create precise and intricate designs, logos, and patterns on a wide range of materials. It also features a built-in camera that allows users to preview their designs before engraving, ensuring accuracy and precision. Overall, the QBO Laser Engraver is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of applications, from hobbyists to professionals. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to use and transport, while its advanced technology provides unmatched precision and detail. Number 6. Ocelin Standing Desk. The Ocelin Standing Desk is a modern and ergonomic desk designed to promote a healthier and more productive work environment. This innovative desk allows users to switch between sitting and standing positions throughout the day, reducing the risk of back pain, fatigue, and other health issues associated with prolonged sitting. The Ocelin Standing Desk features a sturdy and adjustable frame that can accommodate users of different heights and preferences. It also has a spacious desktop that can hold multiple monitors, laptops, and other work essentials. Overall, the Ocelin Standing Desk is a must-have for anyone who spends long hours working at a desk. Its ergonomic design and versatility make it a practical and effective solution for promoting better health and productivity in the workplace. Number 7. Blink VR Bike. The Blink VR Bike is a cutting-edge exercise bike that combines virtual reality technology with a full-body workout. This innovative device provides users with an immersive and interactive fitness experience, allowing them to cycle through virtual landscapes and compete with others in real time. The Blink VR Bike features a sturdy and comfortable design that can be customized to fit individual users. It also has a built-in display that shows real-time data on speed, distance, and calories burned. Overall, the Blink VR Bike is a game-changing fitness device that has the potential to revolutionize the way we exercise. Its immersive virtual reality technology and full-body workout make it an exciting and effective way to stay active and healthy. Number 8. Moxie. Moxie is an innovative robot designed to help children develop social, emotional, and cognitive skills. This cutting-edge device features interactive games and activities that are designed to engage and inspire children, promoting creativity, curiosity, and learning. Moxie is equipped with advanced technology, including facial recognition and natural language processing, that allows it to communicate with children in a natural and engaging way. It is also customizable, allowing parents and educators to tailor the device to meet the needs and interests of individual children. Overall, Moxie is a game-changing device that has the potential to transform the way we think about education and child development. Its interactive and engaging features make it a valuable tool for parents, educators, and therapists alike. Number 9. Atmos Window. The Atmos Window is a high-tech digital window that allows users to experience the beauty and diversity of the world from the comfort of their own homes. This innovative device displays high-quality videos of stunning landscapes and cities from around the world, providing a unique and immersive experience that is perfect for relaxation and inspiration. The Atmos Window is equipped with advanced technology, including a high-definition display and surround sound, that provides a realistic and captivating experience. It also features a sleek and modern design that can be easily mounted on walls or placed on tables. Overall, the Atmos Window is a must-have for anyone who wants to bring the beauty and wonder of the world into their home. Its high-tech features and stunning visuals make it a unique and immersive experience that is perfect for relaxation, entertainment, and inspiration. Number 10. Lark Water Bottle. The Lark Water Bottle is a game-changing device that is designed to provide clean and safe drinking water on the go. This innovative bottle features a built-in UVC LED light that is capable of purifying water and killing up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. The LARQ water bottle is made of high-quality insulated stainless steel, which keeps water cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. It also has a sleek and modern design that is perfect for everyday use. In addition to providing clean and safe drinking water, the Lark water bottle is also environmentally friendly. Its reusable design eliminates the need for disposable plastic bottles, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Overall, the Lark water bottle is a must-have for anyone who wants clean and safe drinking water on the go. Its advanced technology and eco-friendly design make it a practical and effective solution for everyday use. As we come to the end of this video, it's clear that the future is full of exciting and innovative inventions that have the potential to change the world. From cutting-edge technology to eco-friendly products, these inventions offer practical solutions to the challenges we face in our daily lives. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring, and we encourage you to continue exploring the world of futuristic inventions. Who knows, you may just discover the next big thing that will change the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest and greatest inventions. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.